Hi, it's Fran, your holistic hygienist, again here at Dr. Gashinsky's Holistic Dental Center. And you probably have already watched the other video on what is a deep cleaning and what are the signs that you need a deep cleaning and, you know, whether it's something you really should do or not. And I'm here to tell you that if you've been told that you need it, or if you think that you may need it, you need to come and have it holistic deep cleaning here at Dr. Gashinsky's Holistic Dental Center, because we do things a lot differently than you would maybe at the dentist down the street, because we don't just treat the disease, we treat the cause of the disease. The cause of the disease is not necessarily just a whole bunch of tartar and getting in. When I showed you how to, the pockets, you just clean out the pockets. You're cleaning out all that tartar and all that stuff out of the pockets. It's not just that. It's getting rid of the bacteria and maybe even a parasite, maybe even some type of fungi or fungus, some type of what is actually really causing that infection and what kind of bacteria is causing the bone to be eaten away. So that's what we look at, and how we do that is we use a phase contrast microscope. We take a sample of the bacteria, we look at it under the microscope, and so we can actually find out the actual cause of the disease. So if you treat the cause, the disease will resolve. So we're treating the cause and the disease, that together you're going to get an ultimate, the best response possible. So why don't other offices use it? Well, we're all taught conventional therapy when we're all in school, hygiene school, dental school. We're all taught the same principles, but then it's a choice. It's a choice that we've made, that we want to give our patients the best treatment possible. We don't want to just stop here. We feel the patients deserve to be here in their health. Treating their disease by treating their cause of their disease is going to prevent the disease from reoccurring again. Because a lot of times they say, oh, I've gotten deep cleanings, I have to keep getting them done every other year because it just keeps coming back. Well, yeah, of course it keeps coming back, because they're not treating the cause. That's why having a holistic deep cleaning is far superior than a conventional office. Well, how effective is it? Well, it's quite effective for several reasons. When a conventional office does a deep cleaning, they usually use that instrument that vibrates a lot and it sprays a lot of water, that ultrasonic thing that makes a lot of noise, but it's not really uncomfortable, it's just weird. We don't use just regular tap water coming from the city line. That's got a lot of God knows what in it. We use distilled water with ozone in it. Ozone is a natural antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, and antiviral. So we're removing all these bugs that are causing your disease without giving you antibiotics, antiparasitics, antifungals, and antivirals. We're doing it naturally. We're not just removing tartar, we're removing all the disease process. We're also using ozone gas. Ozone gas is, just layering all that good stuff, can grow good bacteria. We're placing good bacteria into the pockets. People pay a lot of money to go to doctors to get probiotics. They go to their pharmacy and get, or their GNC, and they're buying probiotics for their gut. But isn't it all connected? The mouth, if there's a lot of bacteria in your mouth, it's not eliminated, but you're trying to take probiotics for your gut. How is your gut going to get better if your mouth is not healthy? So we got to get rid of those bugs. Put in the probiotics in your gum pockets, and you're going to take probiotics for your gut, so that whole system is going to be effective. So if you're asking me how effective really is the holistic, deep cleanings, far superior to conventional offices. And I can tell you that hands down, as a hygienist for 33 years, I've worked in 30 years of conventional practices. The results I see here are far superior than anything I've ever seen before in any other practice that I've worked in. And I can say that wholeheartedly. And that's why I'm imploring you, if you feel that you need these deep cleanings, or if you even want to just be evaluated for these deep cleanings, be happy to see you for a complimentary consult. Dr. G can evaluate your gum disease. But another thing is, but more importantly, if you have these deep cleanings done, and then, what happens? How do we prevent it from happening again? Very simply, I want to see you on your regular recall. I don't mean once every 6 months like the insurance company will tell you, because they don't care about you and your health. They care about the money they can keep in their pocket. If we see you like every 3 months, because at about 2.5 months is when the bacteria starts to cause problems again. So if we let you go too long, you're going to be back to square one. See you on a tight schedule, take that bacteria sample, get it on a microscope, Make sure that only good stuff is there. And if we find a couple of bad guys, well, guess what? We're going to hit them again, have you take your supplements, get you back on health, and make sure anything is removed. So we're going to prevent you from having to have it done again. It's all about prevention. Prevention is key. All right. So I'm here to help you. The hygienists here are all highly trained in taking great care of you. Great diagnosis. We invite you to come here to Dr. G's Holistic Dental Center. Make your appointment for a complimentary periodontal consultation. Give us a call at 973-878-0951 or 973-379-9080 and visit www.holisticdentalcenternj.com. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just one of many tips, tricks, and info that we like to share with you. And again, I beg you, please leave some comments and tips down below. I really want to hear from you. I want to answer some of your questions. So here's to your health, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.